Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, just open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to Accounts and Backup, and here by tapping on Accounts, you can smoothly remove the current one. Just select it, and then click on Remove Account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its data by tapping on Remove Account. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected with your device. However, whenever you would like to add another account, or maybe you are adding Google account for the first time, just locate Accounts and Backup, click on it, and click on Accounts. Here tap on Add Account and select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now enter either your email or phone number, whichever is connected to your Google account. So in my case it's email address. And tap on Next. Then enter the password. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. And if you do agree with all Google terms of service, Google Play terms of service, and also privacy policy, just tap on I agree. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive is also active. Tap on Accept to confirm your selection. And that would be all. Google account has been added to your device, to your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.